What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel here, Sticky Hickory BBQ. I am DQ, and today we are gonna make some delicious smoked game day chicken wings for your game day. Coming right up. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I want to welcome those subscribers that are new to my channel. I want to welcome those of you that came back. Thank you for tuning in. If you saw the last video, thank you for tuning in on that as well. If you're new, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell, turn on those notifications to know when we're uploading. Let's get into this recipe. So first we got our chicken wings here. We're just going to take these and go right in between that joint. We're going to go ahead and cut it just like that. Take that wing tip off. Just like that. Don't throw this away. You can use this for a stock. This will be real good in the stock. Put that into our bowl. On to the next. Get all of them done. I got a little piece of chicken breast here. My wife prepackaged these. So we go to the store and buy them in bulk and we prepackage them for our meals. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that on there too. And this is gonna be a nice, quick, simple, easy. It's gonna take about 45 minutes to an hour for you to do. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen or outside on the smoker on game day. You get this done well in advance, you can enjoy the game with your friends, your family, and everything. All right, our game day wings are in the bowl, all cut up and everything. We got our chicken wing tips down here in the Ziploc bag. We're gonna save for stock. I think maybe one day I'll do a video on that, show you what that looks like. So we're gonna go ahead with some oil, just like that. Get that all mixed up in there. And then today for a choice of seasoning, I have some Weber garlic jalapeno rub that I'm going to go in there. And I have Holy Voodoo by Meat Church. I'm going to put that on there. We're going to get that on there. That's going to give us some good flavors, give us some good taste, quality taste. So let's go ahead on, that's all mixed up. Let's go ahead with our garlic jalapeno rub, bro, first. Let's go ahead and get that on there. A nice bit amount on there. A little medium coat. Mix it all up. Make sure we get each and every one real good. And that oil is going to help that season stick. Also going to help that skin crisp up while it's on the smoker. We're going to be cooking these at about 400 degrees on the Weber Kettle. It's going to be a quick cook, 45 minutes to an hour, I said. Now we're going to go on here with this Holy Voodoo by Meat Church. Go with some of that on there, just like that. Move it around. And this should give us some good color on our chickens. Nice. Get it all coated. And bam, bam, there it is. We've got our chickens nicely seasoned, ready to get on the smoker. Here we go. Let's go outside and fire up that smoker. All right, we're outside. We're gonna get the Weber Kettle fire up 400 degrees. Today I'm gonna be using my B&B. Today I'm gonna be using my B&B charcoal. This time I'm using briquettes. Competition. Oh, go give this a try. So let's go ahead and get this bag open. There we go. We couldn't get it open. Get that up. I'm gonna get our fire started here. Put it right underneath. Light those babies up, sit that on top. Let the smoke roll. All right, these coals are lit. Let's go ahead and get them dumped right off here in the center of our Weber. Whew, be careful. Just go dump them right there in the center. Just like that. Keep them all together. Let's get our middle piece back on. Close the lid up, let it come up to temp 400 degrees. We'll be right back. All right, we've reached our target temp. We're gonna go ahead and get our chicken on the grill, around the coals. I'm gonna place it here just like that. Oh, listen to that sizzle already. Game day wings, baby. And for some good smoke flavor, I've got a piece of hickory wood. I'm just gonna sit right there. Look at that, ain't that beautiful? Let's get this lid on. Be right back. All right, now that we got our pit lit up and the wings on, let's go ahead and make our sauce for this game day chicken wing. Half a stick of butter. We're gonna let that melt down. Butter's all melted. We're gonna go in with hot sauce. And today we're using Frank's Red Hot. We put that on everything. Get that stirred up. Go in with a little bit more. Don't hurt nothing. Just like that. Now we're gonna go in with some honey. You guessed it. You know what it is. Honey hot smoked wings for your game day. Right there. Just like that. Get that stirred up. Turn that fire down. We're gonna go in with a teaspoon of hot pepper jelly. You remember that from my last video? Just like that. Maybe 2 teaspoons. There we go. Just like that. Get that in there. Stir it up. Just like that. And our game day sauce is made. Alright. As you can see, I'm in my backyard. It's raining today. But we're outside. It's been about 30 minutes. These temps have been holding steady with this B&B charcoal. It's doing its job. We're gonna give these things a check. We'll look at them, see where they're at. Probably give them a quick flip or whatever. Also give them a quick temp with our temp pen. See where they're at. So let's get in here. Let's get this lid off. Oh, look at those. Give it a check with our temp pen. Go in here. 170. Oh, these are done. We're ready to get these babies off. Just that quick. See how quick and simple that was? These babies are done. We'll see you inside. It's time to give these things an official taste test. But first, can we take time to just admire how beautiful these are? Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? So I'm gonna just take these, put them into my bowl, take our sauce that we made, right over the top of it. Just like that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna give the old official toss in the hot wing sauce. Now, one optional step to this. You could do this, toss it, put it back on the smoker, let that sauce set even more. It'll be twice as good. But for me, this is good. I'm ready to taste this. So let's go. Here it is. Oh my, that's good. That's real good. Guys, you gotta give this recipe a try. Game day favorite. It's gonna be the game day favorite. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to turn on the notifications. Thank you again. I'm DQ. I'm with Sticky Hickory. I'm about to tear these wings up, and I'm about to be out. Let's go.